Stands a factory of iron built 100 years ago. No ordinary stable, no ordinary steed, just the pride of Mandello, born from history and speed. You can feel the chassis rocking when you twist the throttle wide. The transverse V-twin pulsing like a heartbeat deep inside. It's the wings of the Italian Air Force spread across the tank. From the classic red of racing to the grid of open rank. It's a symphony of pistons pushing out against the frame. A mechanical masterpiece that never could be tame. Not just a ride you purchase, it's a heritage you share. Breathing in the mountain wind and the premium Italian air. So let the eagle soar above the winding alpine passes. Raise a glass of red wine to the legendary classes. From the cobbles of the village to the open highway run. A century of passion shining brighter than the sun. Yeah, the tribe is moving, feel the torque begin to rise. With the legendary eagle flying underneath the skies. Listen to the valve train, hear the dry clutch snap. An Italian work of art that put Mandello on the map. Drop it into first, let the heavy fly.